You're watching a recap from Investor XP, the show that covers investing for gamers. Check out the video description for details. We cover different ways to invest in indie gaming, and we like Game Trust as an outlet to invest in independent games. That would be GameStop you invest in, but Unreal Engine is used in a ton of indie games. It's one of the engines of choice for developers, and it's also another way to get an investment going if you are interested in investing in these companies, these small independent companies that are making some great games out there. So let's take a look. How can you do that? Unreal, the parent company that owns them, is not a publicly traded company, but a publicly traded company owns 50% of them, and that is Tencent. So if you want to get in on Unreal Games, you got to buy up some Tencent stock, which is fairly expensive. It pays a dividend. We've talked about it on the show before. They are like the Facebook of China, and you can get their stock, and it's a pretty good stock. We've been watching it. It's one of our speculative stocks picks, and it's been a viewer stock pick that's been up. As you can see, it's been up quite a bit. They own half of the company that owns the Unreal Engine, and as you can see, here's just a small group. Here's a database of 1,500 games that are developed with Unreal. It's staggering the amount of independent games that are made with this, and some of them are glorified tech demos. They're a little corny. Other ones are actually pretty good games. You can see like the Ragdoll, it's just using physics and stuff like that, but Skulls and Timber, things like that, are actually some pretty impressive independent games. Our favorite one that we have is Friday the 13th. If you're familiar with that, that's an independent game that's released recently, and it was built on the Unreal Engine. So games like this utilize Unreal, and if you want to invest, if you think Unreal is going to be the wave of the future, or certainly a big part of independent gaming in the future, Tencent is who you want to invest in. For the people in the chat room, the sticker symbol is TCEHY. That's the ticker symbol for Tencent. That's the U.S. version of it on the OTC. You should be able to pick it up with any of the brokerage software. So, independent play, we talk about them a lot. We like Game Trust, investing in game stock, but Unreal it's the way to go for indie developers, and Tencent is who you want to invest in to go with them. Let me know what you think in the video comments below. That's going to be it for today. Sorry if we ran through some of those too quickly. We had a lot of articles today. It's a feast or famine. Either you get way too many things to talk about, or it's a slow news day and the market's down. So market's up today. We're happy. Leave us some feedback. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. And subscribe if you haven't already to get the latest investing news for gamers. Contact the show. The information is on the screen behind us. Chat with us live. We're live 1:30 and 1:30 Eastern, 12:30 Central. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.